Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix apps crashing on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open app, back, close, open, back, close, open, back and close. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. At the time, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.